This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable straws, specifically these disposable paper straws. And we have two sizes, the drinking straws, which are 7 3/4 inch, and we've got one of the cocktail size straws, which is 5 3/4 inch. So I'll show you the difference between the two. So these smaller ones are going to be great for small cocktails, things that are being served in rocks glasses, highball, things of that nature, and those kind of traditional kind of cocktail sizes. And the larger ones are going to be for larger glasses, like if you're serving things like soda, iced tea, or cocktails that are served in those taller vessels, taller glasses. And we have a couple of different style options here, and some of them are solid colors like the white and gray. There's a fun and whimsical little bamboo. There's some cute little zigzags, like we have the green and red here. And then we've got a nice kind of neutral craft with red spiral, which has a fun, almost festive kind of carnival circus feel to it, and ever popular little confetti dots. So nice, beautiful for celebrations, birthdays, anything where you want a touch of whimsy or fun, and some great little metallic options as well. We've got gold, cobalt blue, and this nice opal. So it's kind of that opalescent pearl, shiny metallic white. Makes me think of unicorns and fun birthday parties. And then in the cocktail size, we have classic black. So you have a ton of different color and style options to go with just about any event, or to spice up a setting, table setting, say for a bar. Maybe if you're looking for something to go into some fun signature drinks, these can be a really great idea. They add that extra little bit of whimsy, that special touch, a little pop of color that help set your products and your business or your event apart from others. These paper straws are biodegradable, and they're built to hold up longer in cold beverages than your average paper straw, making them a really nice option. They're made with food-safe dyes, and they come in bulk packaging, which makes them easy to dispense as well. So whether you are drinking lemonade or a mojito, these are a fantastic alternative to plastic straws that has lots of options to match for your next event, party, or to go in your dining room.